You have the Vortex. This is the NS65. It looks like this. Make sure we're talking about the same phone. 3-camera panel, flash, Vortex, and you unfortunately have forgotten your PIN, pattern, or password. No matter what you do, you can't remember it. What do? I'm here to help. All right. One time in the comments, a person said they used this advice and they remembered their PIN. Pour yourself a cup of chamomile tea. Sit down for about 10 to 15 minutes and write out all the possible PINs before you do this reset, because when you do this reset, it will erase everything. All photos, messages, apps, everything. Your phone will be like new. Let's get started. All right, to get started, we have to power the device off. So very simply, power the device off. Yes. Okay, and now when the device is all the way off, we're going to hold volume down and power. Hold volume down first, then press power. We're going to hold, sometimes it could take about 30 seconds. So I will tell you right now, if you reset your phone, you still will need your Google or Gmail login and password. There is no bypass for that. We're only erasing the screen lock. You will still 100% need your Google, Gmail, login, password. All right, keep holding, keep holding. It's been about 20 seconds. Just keep holding. Right there, as soon as you see the logo, you can let go. Now we're waiting for the No Command Fallen Android, which will appear here in just a few seconds. All right, at the Fallen Android, we're going to hold down the power button and then quick touch volume up. Hold down power, quick touch volume up. Now we're at the Android recovery menu. With volume keys, scroll down to wipe data factory reset. Right there. Press power for OK. One more time if you want to pause and read this message. This will wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. We're going to use volume, scroll down once. Press power for OK. And then as soon as you see that the data wipe is complete, it is now safe to reboot the system. Let me give you a free gift. This worksheet to help you always remember your PIN, your pattern, or password. Look for the link in the description, and you can get it for free over at my Gumroad store. If this has helped you, please like, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.